Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony and this is Organizing with Ebby. Today we're going to organize under the kitchen sink. So without further ado, let's get into it. Items used for this project are removable hooks, easy peel shelf liner, and rectangular storage bins, all purchased from the Dollar Tree. Here's a quick look at the kitchen sink that we'll be organizing today. Step 1 and 2 for this organizational project is to empty everything out of the cabinet and wipe it down. The next step is applying the peel and stick shelf liner. Please note I only applied to the front end of the shelf, leaving the water pipes alone. Now it's time to apply the bins, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. I also use the extra space in the back of the cabinet to store the flower vases. Now I'm placing each item in the bin by categories. This first bin is dedicated to dish detergent and any type of cleaners used for the dishes like Brillo pads and sponges. Big items such as Drano and bleach are going to be placed behind the bins. For the second bin, I decided to place all multi-purpose cleaners. The third bin is where I stored extra sprays such as Lysol and furniture polish. The fourth bin is where I placed all carpet cleaning supplies. Now we're back to the third bin for the trash bags. Just tuck them in up front and leave the pull tab in that little hole right there, and you'll be able to pull out the trash bags as you go. No need for the box. I used 2 of the removable hooks and placed them side by side to hang up my cleaning gloves. For an additional step, I labeled each bin using chalkboard labels. And now the project is complete. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.